All I did was put my, oh, it's still on.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar.
What's up, Court Crew, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Jinean, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is another wig review. I'm super duper excited to be partnering up with WIGNEE. They sent over one of their bang units, and you guys know that I live for a bang, I live for a bang, and I'm super duper excited to be trying one of their wigs and showcasing it for you guys. Before we get into today's video, if this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, hi, my name is Courtney Jinean. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on this channel, so if you like any of those things, definitely subscribe, join the Court Crew family down below, and let's get into this wig review. Alright, you guys, so like I mentioned before, WIGNEE is partnering with me on this video. They sent over their straight human hair 150% density non-lace wig with air bangs. I'm super duper excited to try this, so let's go ahead and open up the package together. Alright, you guys, so like I mentioned, WIGNEE sent over their natural human hair 150% density non-lace wig with air bang. This is in the 18 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. The first thing that I see are a pair of lashes. These are super duper natural. You guys know right now I am wearing lash extensions, but when I take a break, I am definitely going to be wearing these because these look so natural and my type of style. Along with the wig and lashes, it comes with a random curl. Also comes with a paddle brush. We will be using that. Also comes with a wig cap. So let's go ahead and talk about this cap construction. Like I mentioned in the description and the name of this wig, it is 150% density, but it has no lace. So it has two combs in the front, an adjustable strap in the back, and then also a comb in the back that makes it secure. There's no lace, so you don't have to worry about gluing down anything or anything like that, because this can be a glueless install, and it's probably best to install this glueless. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. We probably will need to do a bit of straightening, but let's go ahead and try her on. Alright, you guys, so this is the hair. I am going to unbox this paddle brush and start just brushing the hair out. We're definitely going to need to straighten the hair a bit, because while it was traveling to me, it definitely has a bit of wave to it, and we want it to be straight. And then I can also tell you guys like how much heat I put on it, just in case you do purchase this unit and need to know. All right, you guys, so this is the hair straight out the pack. I really do like the bangs, and I love how this hair kind of looks jet black already. Definitely isn't jet black though, so if you want it to be jet black, you should probably go in and dye it. But anyways, I definitely need to go in and straighten it, so I'm gonna go do that. And I'm also going to add a bit of layers. I feel like it could definitely frame my face a little bit more, like right here. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this hair from WIGNEE. Let me know down below in the comments, what are your thoughts? What are you thinking about this? Let's chat, and I'll be right back.
They say I be tripping on a low, but I'm just speaking the truth. You know me, you gon' say I ain't expecting the most. I know the way that it goes. Just tryna give what I give. You ain't with it, then it is what it is. They be so adamant, they say that I'm too demanding. Baby, so ready to settle, thinking maybe I should give it. Baby, so no, I'm just playing. I said what I said, and I'm saying that I could be right for a real one, Baby, let me know if you is one.
Alright, you guys, so here's the final look of the WIGNEE hair bang wig. I'm super duper obsessed with this look. You guys know that I love bang units because I feel like they're easy for beginners. They are a perfect way to get into glueless installs, and they just look super duper pretty. I just love the way bangs looks on me personally. So you guys know I'm known to cut bangs into any and every unit, okay? So let's get into my thoughts. I think that this is beginner friendly. Like, all I had to do was use my razor comb a bit in the front, and then all I did was flat iron the hair. It took heat really well because it's already like a straight unit. I didn't have to put too much heat on it. All I did was put my, oh, it's still on. I put my flat iron on the number 5, and it goes all the way up to 30. I don't know what 5 is on this scale, but yeah, I didn't need much heat at all to flatten the wig and flatten the bang. In terms of like my final thoughts, I think that this is a very beginner friendly unit. Like I mentioned before, you don't have to do much to this unit for it to be giving a look. Out of the box, it does need a little bit of work. You guys saw how we got it from A to B. So it did take a little bit of work, but honestly not that much where I would be like, oh, this isn't beginner friendly. This is still super duper beginner friendly. What else would I say about this unit? I think that it is super affordable. It is 100% human hair. You're getting 18 inches, and this goes pretty long on me. It goes past my chest, so it's a pretty long 18 inches. I am only 5'1", but still I feel like some 18 inches be coming up here, so super duper obsessed with the length. What else would I say about this unit? Oh, it's super duper affordable. You guys know that it is 100% human hair, but since it doesn't have any lace, it cuts down on so much cost. So since it has no lace, this, like my current specs, it would be $120, which is super duper affordable, and I didn't even apply any coupon code yet to this order, so of course it's gonna drop a little bit even more. I think that this is a great dupe for my first wig, Darlene. You guys know, I know that I wear that unit so much on my channel because I just love to put on wigs with bangs whenever I just need a quick install, because it just makes it super easy to just throw on and go. And this, I get a lot of questions like, where's that unit from? And then when I say where it's from and how much it costs, a lot of people are like, oh, that's so much. But this is a great alternative because you can honestly cut down on cost with this unit if you get a shorter length, and my Darlene wig is like 14 or 12 inches. So if you got the same length with this unit, it'll probably go even cheaper than 120. So that's super duper nice. I love how affordable this unit is. I love how easy it is, and you guys know that I just love a bang unit, so it's kind of hard to mess up a bang unit. Honestly, all you have to do is straighten it. The bangs can be too thick and they can be a little bit too thin, but I feel like these bangs are perfect. If you want to thin it out, you definitely can with a razor comb if you want to. All in all, you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with this unit. You might see it more on my channel because you guys know my first wig, Darlene, she be needing a break, okay? And this one is coming to the rescue. Let me know your thoughts on this bang unit down in the comments. I'm obsessed. Let's talk in the comments. Have you heard of WIGNEE Hair? If not, will you purchase from them now that you've seen this wig review? Let's chat down in the comments. Thank you again to WIGNEE Hair for sponsoring this video and for collaborating with me. I'm super duper excited to be wearing this unit, and I'm wearing it more and more because you guys know your girl is known to put on a bang unit, and that's just facts. Like Courtney Jinean, bangs. Courtney Jinean, bangs. Bangs, Courtney Jinean, period. So let me know your thoughts on this unit down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.